Alright, so this video we'll do the fuel tank. And how far I'm gonna go, but it's a part of the fuel system. You can see here, it's a tank I have from a donor bike, and here I'm busy, so you just need to remove the screws. Yeah, then you get it out. There's still fuel in the tank that has been sitting there for a long time, so we'll see what it gives as a result. And here you can see this is the fuel pump. It's a solid unit, it's Denso, it's very high quality. Toyota uses this as well, but you cannot service these. So if you look in here, you can see a filter which is fucking nasty, and there's no way you can change it. So we need to see how it goes, but this one should be okay because it has been drained and has been sitting for a long time, but it should be all right. And then I have some other things to do. See, I'm charging the battery because I will need it. This hose, and here we have a throttle body, complete throttle body with the starter motor for the idle. I mean, it's not a starter motor, sorry. It's a stepper motor which sets the idle. Yeah. And then here we have the sensor, the throttle sensor. Need to clean it up, install it on the bike. And here we have the injection rail with injectors that need to be cleaned and then also installed on the bike. So I think it will be a few videos, otherwise the video will take a long time. So you can see, yeah, we'll see how far it goes and how deep the rabbit hole goes, because this one was my biggest scare when I started on the bike, and all the rest I thought would be fairly okay, yeah, but turned out very intense, everything. But okay, we'll see how it goes and if I can fix it. The tank should be treated. Normally they do this from factory, they treat it so it can withstand fuel, so that should not be a problem. If I spill a bit, but yeah, it's just gonna be not so nice. So an important part here is when you remove this, then you will have, okay, you'll have electric connection here. And the way I release the other one is with a small screwdriver, and you put it here underneath and you push it away. Okay, that will make it click out because you don't want to ruin this. And then here comes nice. As you can see, yeah, you can see there's a bit of nasty shit in there, but yeah, I think that's normal. But we'll see what comes out of the tank now. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it drain and for a minute. Gonna take some light, see how it goes, huh? It's not too bad. I don't see any damage on the tank, which is very good. I see some deterioration. Yeah, you can see it. This one's toast. It's been eaten away. I have to say, all other things, I'm very happy that I won't have to, you know, use special products, because I bought this tank here. Basically it's very nasty shit that cleans your tank, have to use it for a few hours. Then yeah, and then afterwards you have to use a tank cure coating on it, so it really cleans rust and all that shit. But it seems like I won't be needing it, and this will be on the shelf for the rest of my life. I hope. If you want to buy it, I sell it to you for €5. 10 euros. I think I paid 20 for it. 10 euros and I like, or 5. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Oh yeah, I'm so happy. You know, the reason I didn't do this years ago was I cleaned everything up, and then it was winter time, and normally I wouldn't use the bike anymore. It was planned to stall it, and I had to help my wife and it snowed that day, really. So I used it, I cleaned it up, but then I stalled it, and I say I have all that work to do and other things to do, and I never did it because I was like, I'm not gonna go into it now and look into the details and start working on it. Just gonna leave it. So I've been scared for this moment. Well, scared for 4 years, 5 years, 5 years. Yeah. So very nice moment to share. Seems like the fuels nowadays are just better quality. If you should have done this years ago, yeah, it just smells every bit as good as normal as other fuel. Huh? It's really nice. Love the smell. And this, yeah, I'm just gonna let it dry out like this, and I'm gonna use the other pump, just to be sure. Just make sure that all the nasty stuff is not. I need a camera, man. I'm so bad at it. So this is new fuel. I'm just gonna get a bit in there, like a liter or two, turn it around, and then ditch it, so it cleans with the fuel. Just need to be smart in this. It's a small trick, and then the second trick I use is you pull it like this. To say the smell of that one is way stronger, and the color as well. It's way more yellow than this one. But yeah, that's not so bad. Just get every detail. see. I'll show it to you guys how it looks. As you can see, it's really not that bad. There's no rust, nothing. There's really nothing. It's perfect. Yeah. That's the one. So you should just have a look at it. You know, this one is pretty deep. Yeah. And here it's not. It's because it has been forced a long time. So maybe the seal will not be that perfect. So I'm just gonna use that one. And you should just it is seated like that. I'll show you in the picture. Yeah. And then this one. It's perfect. Just like that. When that changed. So now I'm going to fill the tank, a few liters, not a lot. So it's just so the fuel, the pump is a little bit soaked. That's it. Come on, give me a break. Voila. Brake clean it. See if it's leaking. So that's the way you do it. I was very lucky. Yeah, I didn't have damage inside. But if you have, then you need to use the product I show you, and then the other one. So to get a new coating inside, yeah, it's very strong stuff. And then you can do the same process. Okay, but I hope you learned something from this video. It's just cleaning the tank, and now I can do the rest of the fuel system. Thanks, and see you guys next time.